I'm going to invite Dr. Judy McDowell to join me as she makes the presentation to the Barefoot College.
For the past 3 decades, the Barefoot College has been a catalyst for change in the rural communities of India by enabling people to develop and nurture their natural talents and creativity in projects that sustain their communities and protect their environment. Central to the mission of the Barefoot College are the teachings of Gandhi that recognize and respect the knowledge, skills, and wisdom of the villagers, and as they direct those skills towards sustaining communities in an ecologically sensitive manner. The Barefoot College began in 1972 in Talonia, Rajasthan, with the conviction that solutions to rural problems lie within the community. The college has addressed problems of water availability, of rainwater harvesting, and energy conservation. It has developed training centers for solar engineers and public health management, and has established night schools for children who maintain their families' herds during the day. The Barefoot College respects the contributions of all members of the community, the young and the old, the men and the women. It has established a children's parliament where children have facilitated communication within the village and take on the responsibility of sustaining the village's future. The Barefoot College has recorded remarkable achievements over the past 3 decades. 2 generations of students have passed through the college and are now providing services to their villagers as barefoot teachers, barefoot doctors, and barefoot engineers. Trainees have become trainers, as the model started in Talonia has now been replicated throughout India. The Barefoot College has received many accolades for their efforts, including the World's Children's Prize awarded to the Children's Parliament by the Queen of Sweden in 2001, and the Schwab Foundation Award for Outstanding Social Entrepreneurs at the World Economic Forum in 2002. We are honored to have Mr. Bunker Roy here with us this evening to receive the 2004 Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement in recognition of their pioneering efforts in developing solutions to improve the environment and the quality of life for the rural poor of India. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Bunker Roy to the podium. And let me read the citation. The 2004 Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement presented to Barefoot College, Talonia, Rajasthan, India, in recognition for its pioneering efforts in developing solutions to improve the environment and quality of life for the rural poor of India. The contributions of the Barefoot College include training centers, dissemination of sustainable and eco-friendly technologies for water treatment and energy production, and innovative approaches to resource management and public health.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Deeply honored on behalf of all our colleagues living and working in villages in rural India. When I was in university in Delhi, we were great admirers of President Kennedy. And President Kennedy had something to say which always keeps coming back to me when we started the Barefoot College. He said, some men see things as they are and ask why. I dream of things that never were and ask why not. And that always took me all through the 30 years in the Barefoot College. And when I left university, I felt that my real education started when I started living and working with these very semi-literate, illiterate people in villages who taught me so much about tolerance, about compassion, about being open, about not thinking that someone was inferior. It was always something that someone could teach you. And then we remembered what Mark Twain said, never let school interfere with your education. We applied that in the Barefoot College whenever we went, and we felt that it was the rural poor who had the solutions in their hands. And if only we had the ability to listen to what they had to say, then most of the solutions of poverty would be solved quite easily, inexpensively, and it would be in their ownership and control. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for this honor of the Tyler Prize for 2004. Thank you very much.
You gave us a all too short version of a wonderful, wonderful story. But thank you so much, Bunker.